Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup without corn flour. We'll explore several fantastic alternatives to achieve that perfect consistency. First, we'll dive into making a classic roux, a simple yet powerful thickening agent. Then, we'll look at how pureed vegetables can naturally enhance your soup's body and flavor. Finally, we'll discuss other starch options like potato starch or arrowroot powder for quick and effective thickening. Creating a roux is a fundamental technique. You'll start by melting about 2 tablespoons of butter or oil in a saucepan. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking it for 1 to 2 minutes until it forms a paste. This light roux is perfect for many soups. Gradually whisk your hot broth into the roux, ensuring a smooth blend. Let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes to fully thicken and develop its flavor. For a healthier and often more flavorful approach, consider using vegetable purees. Simply cook starchy vegetables like potatoes, carrots, or butternut squash until they are very soft. You can then blend a portion of these cooked vegetables directly into your soup using an immersion blender or a regular blender. This method adds natural sweetness and body without extra starches, creating a wonderfully smooth and rich texture. Beyond roux and purees, other starches offer quick solutions. For example, dissolve 1 tablespoon of potato starch or arrowroot powder in 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Slowly whisk this into your simmering soup. These starches thicken rapidly, so add them gradually until you reach your desired consistency. Remember, a little goes a long way, and you can always add more if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.